My beautiful and amazing people, hey, make una come hear the unimaginable. Like, I hear this very information when I carry come for una like this. My body weak like idodo wey fall for inside water. I am like, so na so human being dem dey. When you needed them the most, they will not be there. Until when they need you, they go come expect you to be there 1001%. My people, make una draw una chair come closer o. The information between Regina Daniel and Seyi Tinubu, the president's son, allegedly, according to the story, wey dey fly the whole media space. Hey, my people, I say make una come closer. Before I go cap una wetin dey sup, the main cocoa of the cocoa lane, I greet una according to the time wey una dey take come across this video. To my returning and amazing subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. I had una so very plenty for always supporting this brand. May God in His infinite mercy continue to dey bless una, replenish una pocket, guide and protect una for all you do. And to my first time viewers, thank you for stopping by. I remain your humble girl, Gifted Gist. I'm dey bring una latest of all legit info. If you never subscribe to this channel, I use God name take beg una, make una help us subscribe. Hit on notification bell so they go notify you anytime we drop latest ogbonge tori like this. My beautiful and amazing people, no be small thing o. Una know say when this Ipa and Regi matter begin, when Regina Daniel travel, before she even travel comot for obodo na Nigeria, she don first of all write to the Senators Wife Association of Nigeria, writing to them say see wetin dey happen based on say her brother wey be Swizzy bin don write petition to them already. Like he don write in summary. I mean, how did they take put the English? Whether na petition, whether na summary, whether na evidence. He don write plenty notes sent for them alongside some of the evidences wey dem get, which is the time wey be say they be put Sammy West, wey be Regina Daniel elder brother for Kirikiri, wey Ned go put her for Kirikiri, wey they try to see how they go take bring am out. Wey the brother go put signing letter, petition letter for Ned Nwoko say make people come dey sign online. He also still send her for senators' wives dem say make dem see letter wey im don post already and see their reasons why they put the letter say make dem dey sign am. And again, see all the things wey this man don do to their sister, wey be say mouth no fit even talk am, they no fit even reveal some of them on the media space, because people go dey wonder say na all these things na the sister see wey make her comot, and why she no comot since. So na money na im dey keep her, and then they no want in a situation whereby they go still come dey drag their mama join for inside the matter. Na so the brother Swizzy bin come give all the information and all to Senators Wife Association based on say Regina Daniel was part of them then. Now, as she wrote to them, the Senate President wife in person of Ekaete Akpabio, una know say na she be the head of the senator's wife. She come talk am after she see the letter and all, say she go talk to her husband concerning this matter. Say because if they keep quiet, say na them, they keep quiet, it will not only spoil their own name, it will spoil the reputation of Nigeria, because the case now is now a public case wey be say the whole wide world dey see am. People wey dey obodo oyibo abroad, so everybody dey see am, and e no really make any sentences. Coupled with the fact say Regina Daniel is their social secretary, she belongs somewhere in their organization there, so they no go just keep quiet on top of this matter. Ademi she bin never cry out is a different thing. Now wey she don cry out, wey be say evidence full ground, including the one wey they say Ipa allegedly the Nakademusa through bag so take e tear, they carry her go hospital, according to the Regina Daniel, no be for my mouth, una hear am. Now, all those things put together, they hold the evidence there. So many evidence will be say they no even provide for social media. They say they send and go senator's wife. At the end of the day, when they carry the matter go there, now so they hold am, they just they rub her hand, the senators go say they go sit down, they go talk. Akpabio go say they go think about it, they will get a lasting solution. Wetin they go later come out with, they say make Regina Daniel go publicly apologize, tell the whole world, say all the things she came out to say concerning Ipa, including the land grabbing, the buying, where they say he used money take cover, allegedly, according to Regina Daniel, that Ipa person use money cover am, and so many atrocities like that. Say, nah, she just said it as a woman based on emotion, and she wanted to get back to him. That's why she said what she said. So that she is sorry. Make she publicly apologize to Ipa. Now, wetin they go come up with that, say he still remains her husband, the father of her children. If she humiliate her, she too, she's humiliated. And besides, if she say Ipa kpai person and she's aware, automatically she's an accomplice. If they carry Ipa go kiri put am for room 1, they go put her too for room 2. So she's an accomplice if she no come debunk this particular kpain matter, and make she enter house with all those unnecessary talk. Na how they take come close the matter. Na Regina Daniel see am for her mind, say omo, this one e don pass, be careful o. This one wey be say they no dey in my favour, instead they dey favour Ipa. Make I wash my hand comot for their matter, make I face life. Thank God for Omoyele Sowore, as she come go explain everything for the man. Na im the man tell her say e no fit ever happen like that. Anything make Regina Daniel come publicly talk say she said all those things out of emotion, out of this, out of that. Na im be say Ipa don win and she don lose her credibility, she don lose everything. All the things wey be say people dey look up to her for before, they no go look up to her like that. Rather, make she go do test for obodo oyibo. Na that time they come bring that suggestion of saying make she go obodo oyibo go do her test. By the time wey truly she no get hand for druggy matter, she can now have a say and have a stand in everything that happens in her life. Funny enough, thank God she listened. Na how she take go obodo na America, go do her medical test, come finally prove to the world say, okay oh, see am oh, my hand no dey oh, my leg no dey oh, nothing like druggy oh, everything about me is negative. Wey Ipa come kuku come fire himself for leg, come talk say she na him be talk say she be addict na abi. He later come talk say no be addict matter, say she don go abstain, she don go take flusher, na him make she was able to, the result was able to come out. Say God no, say him no dey lie, this one that one. Say but at least if Regina Daniel dey take 5 different things and things wey you talk, open mili o, Coca-Cola or powder o, and so on and so forth, at least one suppose show for inside the medical report. And you know say obodo oyibo, they no dey do manipulation, they no dey do lie. Na wetin dey na im dey go tell you, because Regina no even get money to take pay them, and they are not even ready to collect money for her hand. So how come nothing of that nature show for inside the result? Nothing like ekpomili matter for inside result. Everything was showing negative. Wey Ipa talk say im go sue the hospital, they go need to provide this thing, and they go tell them wetin and wetin they take do the druggy test, and so on and so forth. The most important part be say they don't do the test and it's negative. That's what really counts. So when Regina Daniel now returned, Omoyele Sowore, allegedly according to the story, now took her to meet the president's son, because that one too, in the fight for the youth, according to Ram, he say he's a voice of the youth. Anything that has to do with the youth, because into it they aspire to become either a senator or waiting into the inside politics. So and in the stand for the youth. So as e be say the matter na youth, Regina Daniel na small person, na youth she too she be, despite say she be senator's wife before. So im go need to see Seyi Tinubu make dem talk. When they got to him, he now promised Regina Daniel that she shouldn't worry. Ned Nwoko go definitely, as she come insist say na her children na im be her problem. She no get any problem with Ipa. Nothing concern her whether im dey or im no dey. The most important part of everything, wetin she dey fight for, wey she dey sleepless night she dey think of, na how she go take get her children from the man hand. Na even make her even get the mind, they come dey explain to Seyi Tinubu that she didn't come to fight him or to drag him or to do anything. She just wanted her children, because na the only thing wey bind them together be that. Na im Seyi Tinubu come promise her, allegedly say he is going to do everything humanly possible to make sure say she gets her children back, that he will get back to her. He go liaise with him people, in people them, all in cabinet members and all. e go get back, e go reach to them and get back to her. She said okay. Just for them to sit down, Regina Daniel sit down feke, na im Seyi Tinubu come call her back again say im want make she come enter City Boys movement. Una know say all the whole celebrities now, they don dey carry them for City Boy movement. See Obi Cubana, see Cubana chief priest, see Nino Olowo, so many of them, both Yul Edochie, all of them, they don enter City Boy movement. All the whole actors and actresses dem, virtually most of them, out of 100%, 60% already are in City Boy movement, facing one this thing or the other. So now they say he wan join Regina Daniel for inside the top celebrities based on say she get 15 million followers already for Instagram, meaning 15 million people already dey watch her, dey look up to her, dey do this, dey do that. So she will be a very good and nice strategy to get to people's heart. So make she come join the City Boy movement so that she go fit campaign for am. Na Regina Daniel come say, I should come and campaign for you. Say yes, it's okay. You give me time to think about this because it is not something I will just accept like that. I will need to think about it according to the information. Now they say last Regina Daniel can't think about them. All of a sudden, in come tell her say make she call her. She been promised and say make him call her back in 2 days. Make she think about them. When the 2 days reach, this guy call later they call Regina Daniel. Regina Daniel no gree pick call. E call, she no gree pick call. Now, Regina Daniel on the other end bin don go call Omoyele Sowore, don let her know everything wey dey happen because im bin promise Regina Daniel say any amount wey she want, im go give her. In as well as say she agree to canvass for am, to become a City Boy, to enter the City Boy movement and to canvass for am, make him win, and to canvass for APC in papa, make him papa win, because they know the impact that she really created during Nedwoko election. So they know her impact, they know what she's capable of, they know the amount of people which fit come up from her own end. So and na wetin they dey find be that. Say any amount he go give her. Now she come go call Omoyele Sowore. Now Omoyele Sowore come dey tell her say, you know they see wetin dey happen for social media. You know they see wetin dey happen. Wey be say they use Michi to take as a political tools. They pack money, they squander, they pack, they give her allegedly. So at the end of the day, see the result, see the outcome. As God say, He don't reach time where He go expose them. You know, see I say they expose them. So if you make anything make you accept, carry the matter for head, start a canvas for these people. They go calculate and join am together, say, you never ready. The same you wey dey go through a lot, wey just come out from a lot, wey suppose dey rest, focus on your life. As you focus on your career and your life, now you see anybody talk. But that moment when you go enter any City Boy movement, they go drag you. See Obi Cubana wey be say people like her, like say tomorrow no dey. As he enter City Boy movement, you know see as they drag am. So if you carry yourself go play, Nigerians go drag you. They go drag you enter house. So make you no even try and think and say you won't go enter any City Boy movement. That is his own show. But if she still want to go ahead, she should go ahead. But him, you will not advise her to even do that, because she will not only spoil her name, she will spoil her reputation. And people will no longer believe her again. They will no longer see her. And anytime when anything bad guy happen, now Nigerians will fight for her before, they go leave her alone, make she face her fear, face wetin whatever wey she dey face. So she just need to be extra careful. Omo, na Regina Daniel wash she hand comot o. That get back wey that one here say, they say make dem get back, the president son. E come later they get back to Regina Daniel for where they say Regina Daniel no pick call. They call for where e no pick. E come go dey call the mama Regina. Remember the prophecy wey they give mama Regina Daniel for church, say make she hold her breadwinner, hold am real tight. Make she no let anybody come in between them again. And make she no let anything like money matter become a thing wey go make they go come drag her for this media space again. Say now one last chance God give them. Make them hold am tight. Make sure say she protect her bakery. Make sure say she protect her with her full chest. Make she no use Regina Daniel play. Funny enough, na im that one come go call her. As he call her, according to the information, now they see mama Regina come tell am say, say she no fit talk to Regina Daniel concerning any political wakama, or say she wan become princess of the city boy movement, whatever. Say she no dey for that one, and she no fit talk for Regina Daniel. So if make im try continue to dey call the Regina Daniel or send her a text or whatever, if she agree, fine and good. Im no dey against, she no dey against Regina Daniel becoming whatever way she want to be. But from now, say she na she go come convince Regina Daniel to make sure say e do am, say she no fit do am, because she really don push Regina Daniel do so many things in the past that even till now she's still regretting it. So she wouldn't want to be in a situation whereby she will be the one again in charge of this one, giving the Regina Daniel a headache. She wouldn't want it. Now I say, prayer of God really dey work. Oh, you see, people no dey forget prophecy, and you see this prophecy, e dey come to pass. E really dey happen. Oh, some people go dey, they go prophesy for you, go think say, e no go work, e no dey, e didn't dey. You go come dey wonder how e wan even take dey possible, whereas e dey possible. Just give it some time, and you see how things go waka come meet itself the way they take prophesy give you. Unless the one wey no dey, na you no go ever see. But the one wey dey, you will definitely see am say e come to manifestation. Na im be this one. So now mama Regina Daniel say she no go tell Regina what to do. So she didn't see it as healthy. Say you come dey call her. And to call the Regina Daniel, she is young, she is strong, she is healthy, she is 24. She can say for herself what she really wants. If she did not pick today, she will pick tomorrow. She did not pick tomorrow, she will pick next tomorrow. But if she refused, that you should just forget about it and move on, and not push her by fire by force, meaning she's not interested. A silent mouth, meaning say she's not interested with that. So guys, now the matter be this. Mama Regina Daniel say no, say make dem no call her concerning the matter. Oh, say make dem call the Regina Daniel. Na she get say, na she wan follow dem collect money, do whatever. So na she go talk. Now like this, e never reach anywhere. They don dey find Regina Daniel. Now Regina Daniel on the other end, she no fit ever gree. You know why? When she needed them the most, they were never there. They focus as if e no concern them. The same thing now wey dey happen for this King Michi matter and Very Dark Man. When Michi dey always dey tag them, say all thanks to Seyi Tinubu, all thanks to Don Jazzy for the money and this and that. If you allege say, if you allegedly talk say nothing, oh, you and her no get anything in common, you never suck lollipop, you never do this, you never do that one, na una been talk say una get meeting on Tuesday, na im make she come Abuja. How come when she been dey call your name say na you support her, you no come out come talk say abeg o, this girl wey dey sing my praises so I no know her o, na once I don support her o, I no wan drama, I no wan wahala o. Knowing fully well that it's possible that King Michi just dey use im name just to attract more people. Say if president son dey support this one, make me too give even una 1,000 naira, that kind of thing. So maybe na wetin she dey use im name dey do be that, na only God na im know. But last you never came out to say that no, you don't want it. Now wey you don sour, now you come dey talk. So na im mama Regina Daniel say she nothing concern her o. Ademi all this matter sef no even don surface. Ademi all this King Michi Very Dark Man matter never come out. You fit even talk say you wan give it a try. But omo, as e be like this, so if Regina Daniel put body, she go later regret herself why she even try that, because the small percentage of people wey be say they still like her, na how they go take drop drastically, na im she dey fight dey go. So now mama Regina Daniel say nothing o. If election come, anything wey they wan do make dem do. She is not into politics. Her daughter is not into politics. If na film make dem carry am come, they go shoot am. But if na politics, they no dey inside again. It is well o. Matter don tie wrapper. E wear koko shoe dey go market. Na how they go take settle this matter now, I never still know. If Regina Daniel is going to consider, or she don give the space wey she wan give be that. Make una come, make we interact for the comment section. Do well to give the video a massive thumbs up. Help us share like for more like minds and more recommendations. See you guys in my next upload. Bye for now.